So Troy, amazing to be here with you in Orlando. Quick overview, who you are, what you do.
I'm Troy Topnik, SUSE Rancher Partners and Ecosystem, but I also do a little work on something that we're unveiling here, which is our DevX validated designs.
Tell me more about that. What is the DevX validated design?
So SUSE has made some composable workflows for developers to use all of the components in SUSE Rancher Prime so that they can put together an experience for developers that is as high quality as the experience that we've made for the cluster operators and Rancher users that are more seen now as the platform operators or the platform engineers.
That sounds amazing. Obviously that's why we're talking today. So how does Coder fit into that portfolio?
So Coder does something really special that fits in with our use of development containers. Dev containers are a really, really cool way to compartmentalize a software developer's developer environment and to use that with the IDE of their choice. But we have a lot of customers, I think, that are repatriating, not only repatriating workloads from the cloud, but also trying to centralize the development experience and to standardize the development experience. And those two things in combination, being able to use development containers with Coder, hosted on Rancher Prime, hosted on RKE2 or K3S, makes for a really powerful combination because it also can bring in our SUSE Linux BCI development images and SDKs. So we can actually run within Coder or within their favorite IDE trusted images from SUSE, which is one of the things we're very proud of.
So this is a very new partnership. We just announced it last week. What's the one thing that you hope the Coder community and customer base can take away from this partnership?
Well, first of all, that Rancher Prime especially is an excellent place to run Coder. And it fits with a validated design that we've created specifically to include Coder and other SUSE Rancher partners, and a lot of valuable tools and technology that is included in a SUSE Rancher Prime subscription. I've always loved Coder. From the first time I started playing with it, I thought the idea of running the entire workflow of a developer within a browser would be incredibly freeing for a developer who didn't have to sit and worry about configuring a local environment. So it turns out when you use them together, it works really, really well. So we've been demoing our prototype of our validated design here at the booth, where we've got all these things running right here at the booth, and it's working great. We've got Coder workspaces working in conjunction with another partner's software, Gitty, and then handing off to SUSE Private Registry and go all the way through to deploying to a live cluster. And Coder just fit in perfectly when we were building this demo and we wanted to show everything in a self-contained way. That's what we did, and it worked.
Amazing. Last thoughts. If someone hears this, they like what they hear, they want to learn more, where should they go? What can they do?
Go to SUSE.com. There's a bunch of URLs. We're going to be publishing something a little later this week, which is the DevX Designs website. And so look for that. We'll send it to you, and we've got it running here. The URL's a little long right now, so we'll make sure it's something easy for people to get to.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much. To the Coder community out there, if you still have 2 days of SUSECON, so if you want to come down Wednesday and Thursday, we'll be here demoing Coder plus Rancher all week.